Hello everyone, welcome to Sensible Home Studio. My name is Gretchen and today I'm continuing my castle tour with the last one we stayed in. The Dunboyne Castle Hotel and Spa doesn't look like a castle at all. It's actually very contemporary. That's likely because of its proximity to Dublin City, and with most of the castle hotels, they cater to international travelers. It's one of the leading 4-star hotels. We entered our room and were welcomed with a greeting by name on the TV screen. It showed us some of the amenities the hotel had to offer, like service, the 4 o'clock tea, beautifully plated cuisine and desserts, nice dining and lounge areas, and the pool and spa. The original castle was destroyed during the Cromwellian invasion, and the attached Georgian mansion was completed in 1764. It became a convent in 1950 for the Sisters of the Good Shepherd to house pregnant unmarried girls. It closed in 1991. In 2006, the convent was sold and converted to the Dunboyne Castle Hotel and Spa. The historic mansion blends seamlessly with the contemporary 145-room wing. The peaceful countryside setting of 21 acres of woodlands and manicured gardens emphasize the beauty of this estate. The curved trails outside are reminiscent of the curved hallways inside. The sophisticated combination of traditional old-world opulence and contemporary design of the interiors didn't make it more comfortable, but it definitely made it more unique than all the other castle hotels we stayed in. One of my favorite places in this hotel was the spiral staircase. I loved the way it had a glass enclosure and had this contemporary chair sitting at the bottom. You all may not know, but I like collecting architectural staircases, so this was one of my really favorite places. With the hotel's advice not to drive to Dublin City, which was more like New York City, we took the city bus. With so many ways to tour the city, we decided to take a hop-on, hop-off bus to tour the city. I'll have to share some of that later, especially the remarkable Dublin Castle that we toured. I hope you enjoyed this castle tour. I've been busy, but there's plenty more of my Ireland trip to share, likely after Christmas, so I can share some Christmas ideas with you. Remember to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel.